So we offer a variety of workshops for students who are about to graduate, and that means in the year before graduation. We're talking September, October, November of the previous year. And the career readiness workshops run the gamut from resumes and CVs, which a resume is a very short snapshot of what you are, and a CV is a long story. We do things like cover letters, and we do mock interviews. So if a student wants to do a practice interview before they actually go on the job market, we help them with a lot of the statements, especially for academia. Things like diversity statement. You yourself do not have to be the diversity. They think, well, I'm not diverse in any way at all. And I say, what have you done for diverse populations? Have you gone through safe zone training? That counts. Okay, have you volunteered at African American Student Association? Okay, so you yourself don't have to be the diverse. It's what you've done to identify with and to help and to understand what other people go through. And that's a diversity statement. And sometimes you have amazing diversity statements for people that really didn't think they were.